For centuries, the story of spices shaped the course of world history. What began in the lush lands of India slowly transformed global trade, culture, and power. In the tropical regions of India, spices like pepper, cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves grew in abundance.
If you want to make similar documentary style videos, then you are at the right place, because today we will see how you can create high quality documentary videos. So let's get started with it. First of all, open up ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to provide the prompts, and you can just simply type the prompt according to your needs and requirements. Like for this video, I just simply ask ChatGPT that I want to create a documentary style video on trade of spices from India to Europe, and this video should be around 1 minute and cinematic. Give me text to video prompts in chronological order. Give at least 4 prompts for one scene, so this way we can use different B-rolls and would be able to hook the viewer. So here we go, we got the different prompts from ChatGPT, and there are almost 4 prompts for one particular scene. Like for the scene 1, which is origins in India, we got 4 different prompts. And if we scroll down, there are 4 scenes in total, and each scene has 4 prompts. That's 16 prompts. Now let's generate the first prompt for this. Copy this prompt and open up Grok. In Grok, simply open up the Imagine section, and over here select the option of video, and also select the landscape or the aspect ratio which is suitable for you. Paste the prompt and hit enter. Even if you are doing this on your mobile device, make sure that you open up Grok on your browser and turn your browser into desktop mode. This way you would be able to get the videos in HD, and we will see exactly how you can get in HD after it is done generating. So this is the first video that we got. If you don't like it, then just simply click on redo. Otherwise, you can just simply click on the 3 dots over here, and after that just simply click on this option of upscale video. This way you would turn your video into HD, and as soon as it is turned into HD, you would also be able to see it the HD over here. After that, you can just simply click over here in order to download this video. After downloading this video, let's get back to ChatGPT and copy the second prompt and replace the prompt. Then click enter and generate the second prompt. This looks quite good, and we can just simply upscale it and download it. Repeat this process until all the scenes are downloaded. So while creating all these scenes and downloading these videos, the limit got over, but after waiting for a while, now when I'm trying again, the limit is already there, and now I can recreate. In case if the limit is over for you and you're not able to recreate, simply open up Meta AI, then open up the AI images and video generator, and after that you can select the option of image, paste the prompt and select the aspect ratio and generate the image. After that you can animate any particular image if you want to, and we are not selecting the video over here because in video you won't get the aspect ratio, so that's why we will select the image, and this is how we would be able to create the video in case the limit is over on Grok. So I have downloaded till scene 3. Now I'm completing and going for the scene, half of the scene 3 and scene 4, and let's see how we can go further after that. So I have turned all these prompts into videos. Now let's ask ChatGPT for a 60-second narration script. Not necessarily 60 seconds, but just simply tell ChatGPT to write the story in documentary style narration and hit enter. Then let's wait for ChatGPT to give us the story. Then we will use this story to generate the voiceover for it. So here it is. Now just simply copy this story and open up Google and search for Google AI Studio, and then open up the very first link over here. Then click on this option of get started. Then just simply paste the story that we got from ChatGPT and select the option of single speaker audio. After that, you would be able to find this option of run simply select it and wait for it to do its work. You can also select the voice from here. There are plenty of voices that you can choose from, and just choose the one that is according to your story's needs. And after it is complete, we will be able to download this voiceover and edit our video. So after waiting for a while, we got this audio that we can download by clicking on the three dots over here, then select the option of download. And now we have the voiceover, the videos. All we need is to combine all of this stuff into a video editing platform, and you can use any editing software for this. I will use Final Cut Pro since I have Final Cut Pro, and this is how you can create documentary style videos using AI. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.
For centuries, the story of spices shaped the course of world history. What began in the lush lands of India slowly transformed global trade, culture, and power. In the tropical regions of India, spices like pepper, cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves grew in abundance. Farmers carefully harvested these rare plants, unaware that their produce would one day be valued as highly as gold. These spices were prized not only for flavor, but also for medicine, preservation, and status. From Indian ports, spices traveled across the Indian Ocean aboard wooden ships powered by wind and knowledge of the monsoon. Arab traders carried them through bustling ports, deserts, and ancient cities, guarding their roots and secrets closely. Over time, spices reached the Mediterranean, passing from hand to hand, growing more expensive with every mile. When spices finally arrived in Europe, they became symbols of wealth and power. Pepper was locked in chests, cinnamon was measured carefully, and cloves were displayed like jewels. Control over the spice trade meant influence, prosperity, and dominance. Driven by desire and competition, European powers set out to find direct sea routes to India. Their voyages reshaped maps, connected continents, and changed history forever. Even today, every spice carries the memory of a long journey from the fields of India to the tables of the world.